The powerful one spice, how to harness its life-shaping potential. Today, I will share with you something that can change your life, cardamom. A lot of you may not be familiar with this spice, but it can be found in your grocery store, online, or in health food stores. These are the cardamom pods that you can chew on. I'll talk more about it at the end of the video, but if you suffer from conditions like high blood pressure or digestive problems, this cardamom might be especially helpful. If you have abdominal pain, bloating, and cramping during that time of the month, there are respiratory problems, and the list goes on. I know this can significantly improve your health and help you feel better again. Additionally, cardamom water can be very beneficial for detoxifying your system because it contains flavonoids and phenol compounds, which counteract the damaging free radicals in your body and support the body's natural detoxification process. Cardamom water can help enhance specific enzymes for better digestion, such as AMAs, lipase, and protease, which will facilitate the digestion of your food. Cardamom has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines that aid in the elimination of toxins and promote overall detoxification. There's nothing like cardamom when it comes to your respiratory health because it will reduce and break down that mucus, that heavy sticky phlegm that's in your respiratory tract, and this will give you relief from your inflammatory conditions. Cardamom also contains inflammatory molecules like cytokines and prostaglandins, and reducing the inflammation will help alleviate the symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and many other digestive problems. Cardamom contains antibacterial qualities that will help treat respiratory infections, reducing their progression and facilitating a quicker recovery from respiratory disorders such as coughing, congestion, and bronchitis. Women, if your PMS cramps, bloating, and discomfort are keeping you from sleeping and making your life miserable, then cardamom water's ability to relax muscles helps to ease uterine tension and lessen the severity of your cramps, which is beneficial to your arteries because cardamom has vasodilatory effects, which mean that it can help relax and widen blood vessels. This improves blood flow and lowers artery resistance, which lowers blood pressure and relieves cardiac stress. Cardamom water has also been studied for its potential to regulate blood sugar levels. Assisting in the maintenance of stable blood sugar levels will prevent those energy spikes and crashes that can help you feel fuller and prevent overeating. How many times have you combined or eaten the wrong foods and noticed that you had a large, bloated belly full of fluids? It's possible that you were consuming too much sodium in your diet without even realizing it. However, cardamom water will lower your blood pressure and reduce your bloating, which will improve your kidney function. Water excretion is necessary, but you also need to drink more water because it is a diuretic. However, cardamom can help you achieve these results quickly because it has thermogenic effects, which raise the body's metabolic rate and increase heat production. This can increase energy expenditure and possibly help with weight management. Let's take a look at the cardamom seeds. Sure, they are green cardamoms. Here's what to do. Take a few of these cardamom seeds. The kernels around the seeds are fiber. You can swallow them or spit them out. But I swallow them because they are fiber and they instantly help me feel better when I have indigestion cramps. I also feel bloated and sometimes even gas because they will help reduce flatulence. This could come in handy for you. First, take 4 or 5 of these seeds from the cardamom. Chop them up, add boiling water, and let them steep like a tea. Alternatively, use organic ground cardamom, which is just ground cardamom. Take about 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon and add it to the container. You can also heat it or use regular, warm water. Like tea as well, but you're going to drink the ground cardamom, which is much simpler to prepare. Just mix it up and drink it straight down. It's like pressing a button. It's amazing. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please share it with your friends. I know they'll benefit from this spice's healing medicinal properties and quick results.